The Deposit Protection Fund of Uganda has officially commissioned a solar power plant, marking a huge leap forward at St. Jude Thadeo Pacego Primary School, a Catholic-founded school in commitment to their cooperation. The commissioning ceremony held today celebrated the completion and operational launch of the plant, which is aimed at powering the school with clean, renewable energy and providing constant light in the school premises. This initiative is one of the solar plant projects hailed by the DPF agency under the Ministry of Finance, which commenced in 2023 as part of the DPF's broader strategy to protect and preserve the environment. Pakwach Ezaga, Director Communication Deposit Protection Fund, who represented the Chief Executive Officer, emphasized that the intervention is aimed at improving the system of education as evidenced by absence of electricity in most rural schools.
The role of DPF goes beyond protecting deposits. We believe in investing in the future of our country, especially in areas where our contribution can make a lasting difference. That is why we are here today in the scenic beauty of West Nile, where new light is shining, powered by the sun and fueled by hope. Ladies and gentlemen, today we proudly commission the installation of solar systems in this school. This intervention is more than just infrastructure. It is a deliberate investment in empowering education, improving lives, and lighting the path for Uganda's future.
However, Florence Yonikani, head teacher at St. Jude Thadeo Pacego Primary School, applauded the efforts of Deposit Protection Fund of Uganda for choosing the school among the rest in the district, which will improve the security of the school. She assured the DPF executives for careful handling of the installed solar equipment as she promised them for better performance in the school.
And with this power that we have, it is going to develop this community, because there are very many activities that are supposed to take place within the community, but there is no power, and they always come to our school. And now when electricity goes off, there would be problem. But now that we have solar, I think we shall not have any problem anymore. We are just good to go, be it the school, be it the community, we are just going ahead. Thanks be to Deposit Protection Fund Uganda.
Meanwhile, Johnson Obelling, District Education Officer, Pakwach District, urged the teachers of the school to stay focused in shaping the school and pupils, encourage them to preserve unfavorable circumstances.
When we come to commission and install, the generous gift that Deposit Protection Fund has provided to this school through their corporate social responsibility. Today, we are not simply lighting the buildings of the school. We are igniting dreams. We are purposing through our learners that they achieve through the academics. And you know, light, electricity, light, especially solar system, is one way that will ensure that learning will continue even after the normal school time.
Some of the learners said before the solar plant, they had instant power outages. They expressed their optimism that the solar plant will improve on their performance in revising their books at night.
The solar provides us with solar energy, which helps us to read our books, even though it is too dark. The second point is that it helps us to do exams, even though at what time in the night. It makes us pass well. Thanks.
This solar will provide us to read, and it will make us to perform well.
To promote unity, we believe in unity. We come united in our school.
As their social corporate responsibilities, the Deposit Protection Fund of Uganda under the Ministry of Finance has reached a milestone of installing solar plants in Yumbe District, Terego and Pakwach. All are operational.